Hello, dear students. Namaste. I welcome you once again to our class on Chandalika. So, in the last class, we have discussed how the way Prakriti is explaining to what extent she is witnessing what happening to that Ananda. And here in the last line of the last class, we looked at the torture form of Ananda was not only Ananda's but also hers, and it belongs to us both. She says, in those awful fires, the gold and the copper had been melted and fused. As I explained yesterday, that here the gold means Ananda and the copper means Prakriti. Both of them had been fused and melted in their what? Torture. That why torture? Torture is because of the effect of the working of the mother's spell on Prakriti. So this is how the things going on about Prakriti and Ananda and the mother. So let us continue. So to these awful responses, mother was very curious to know whether Prakriti was not fearing. That's what she asked here. And you felt no fear? That's the question of Prakriti's mother. Yeah. Yes. She asked here, see, you felt no fear? Now, what is the response of Prakriti? Something far greater than fear. I beheld the God of creation more terrible far than the God of destruction. We people know, being Hindu tradition, we know that the God of destruction and the God of creation, ಕೊಲ್ಲುವವ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಯುವವ ಅಥವಾ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವವ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. That's what the God of destruction and God of creation. See, beheld means to look. Beheld means to look carefully, to look at it attentively. So I means here Prakriti. Prakriti says that she looked at the God of creation more terrible far than the God of destruction. Means here exactly contrasting nature of the God are being expressed. So God of destruction is terrible, but the God of creation is more terrible, as witnessed by Prakriti, lashing the flames to work his purposes, while the wreathed and roared in anger. So this is how flames, ಬೆಂಕಿಯ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಅದು ಜ್ವಾಲೆಗಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಗಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅವನ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗರ್ ಇಂದ ರೋರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಲೇ ಆಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫೀಟ್ in the cascade of the seven elements, life or death. See what he is looking at. He is looking at the feet of Ananda. Okay, or we may say the feet of the God of creation. So what is there at the feet? At his feet there is a cascade of seven elements. Means ಸಪ್ತ ಧಾತು ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸಪ್ತ ಅಂಶಗಳಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ಸಪ್ತ ಅಂಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು, ಒಂದು ಸಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಜನನ. ಅವೆರಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಪ್ತ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್, ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅವಳು ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, ವೆದರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡೆತ್.